Welcome to Choice Champions. The best iridescent gel is probably one of the most captivating and versatile nail polish options available, transforming your fingertips into a mesmerizing canvas of shifting colors that dance with every movement and catch the light in a truly magical way, making it an absolute must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of ethereal beauty and unique flair to their manicure. Number 5. RARJSM Holographic Rose Gold Gel Nail Polish RR73. Get ready to dazzle with our stunning holographic nail polish. This unique formula brings a touch of magic to your fingertips. Experience the enchanting rose gold shade that complements any look. It's the perfect blend of elegance and trend. Unleash your inner mermaid or unicorn with its captivating glitter and iridescent finish. Watch it transform under different lights. This is our model RR73, designed to give you salon-quality results at home. It's easy to apply and long-lasting. Embrace the vibrant seasons with this eye-catching polish. It's the ideal accessory for your spring and summer adventures. Add a touch of glamour and fun to your nails. You'll love the way it catches the light and makes a statement. What we like? This polish offers a stunning mermaid and unicorn effect, perfect for capturing the essence of spring and summer. Its rose gold shimmer adds a touch of magic to any look. If you're looking for a whimsical and radiant finish for your next manicure, especially for warmer seasons, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The polish has a good consistency and applies smoothly. It cures quickly under a UV LED lamp, resulting in a durable finish. The iridescent effect is beautiful and shifts color depending on the light. Number 4. CANNI Purple Gel Nail Polish. Discover the stunning light purple shade from CANNI. This high-gloss gel polish offers a beautiful pastel color for your nails. Achieve a salon-quality manicure with this vibrant pastel hue. It's perfect for creating elegant and eye-catching nail designs. Enjoy a brilliant, high-gloss finish that lasts. Its smooth application ensures a professional look every time. This gel polish features an easy soak-off formula for convenient removal. Get beautiful nails without the hassle. Whether you're a professional or doing your nails at home, this gel polish is your ideal choice. Create stunning manicures with ease. What we like? Experience a beautiful pastel light purple with a high-gloss finish that lasts. This soak-off formula makes removal a breeze, ideal for salon-quality manicures at home. If you prefer a chic, understated yet glossy look and value easy removal, this gel polish is perfect for you. What people say. The color is beautiful and the shimmer is very noticeable. It applies smoothly and evenly, without streaks. The gel polish is long-lasting and chip-resistant. Number 3. CANNI Purple Gel Nail Polish. Discover the beauty of CANNI Purple Gel Nail Polish. Achieve a stunning, high-gloss finish for your nails. This pastel light purple shade offers a chic and sophisticated look. It's perfect for any occasion, adding a touch of elegance to your manicure. Experience a brilliant, high-gloss shine that lasts. Our formula ensures your nails look freshly polished for an extended period. Enjoy hassle-free removal with our easy soak-off formula. Get salon-quality results without the difficult cleanup. Bring the salon experience to your home with this professional-grade gel polish. Perfect for both salon professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Unleash your creativity and design your dream manicure. This versatile polish is ideal for all your nail art and styling needs. What we like? Achieve a sophisticated pastel light purple with a brilliant high-gloss shine. Its convenient soak-off formula ensures a hassle-free removal process. If you desire a classic, elegant pastel shade with a durable, glossy finish and appreciate ease of use, this gel polish is an excellent option. What people say. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, with a nice shimmer that catches the light. It applies smoothly and evenly, without any streaks or patches. The polish is long-lasting and chip-resistant, staying put for up to 2 weeks with proper application. Number 2. MODELONES Chameleon Aurora Shimmer Glitter Gel Polish Kit. Discover a world of dazzling color with our revolutionary gel polish set. Perfect for creating stunning nail art, it brings salon-quality results right to your fingertips. Experience the magic of Chameleon and Aurora shimmer effects. These unique shades shift and sparkle, offering a truly captivating look for any occasion. Dive into a palette of stunning blues, greens, and purples. Each color is designed to make your nails stand out with vibrant, eye-catching brilliance. Enjoy a smooth, effortless application process. Our soak-off formula ensures durability and a chip-free finish that lasts, without damaging your natural nails. Transform your home into a personal nail salon. Create professional-looking manicures with ease, perfect for your next DIY project or as a thoughtful gift. Surprise the nail art lover in your life with this exquisite gel polish kit. It's the ultimate gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? Unleash your creativity with this set featuring 6 Chameleon Aurora shimmer colors. The mesmerizing Aurora effect shifts with light, offering a dynamic and captivating look. If you love experimenting with multiple colors and enjoy a color-changing, eye-catching effect for nail art, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The polish has a beautiful iridescent shimmer that changes color depending on the light. It applies smoothly and evenly, providing a professional-looking finish. The gel formula is long-lasting and chip-resistant, maintaining its shine for weeks. Number 1. Born Pretty Reflective Glitter Gel Polish. Introducing the Born Pretty Reflective Glitter Gel Polish Collection. Get ready to shine with these dazzling shades. This set includes stunning gold and silver glitter finishes. They offer a beautiful sparkle that catches the light. Achieve that eye-catching disco DJ effect for your nails. These polishes are designed to make a statement. Our formula utilizes LED gel technology for a durable and long-lasting manicure. Enjoy a professional finish at home. You'll receive a set of 6 bottles, each containing 7 milliliters of product. That's plenty of polish to create multiple stunning looks. Let your nails do the talking with these incredibly sparkly varnishes. They are perfect for any occasion where you want to stand out. What we like? Get ready to shine with this reflective glitter gel polish, boasting a dazzling disco DJ sparkle. The combination of gold and silver offers ultimate glamour. If you're aiming for a bold, attention-grabbing look for parties or events and love intense glitter and shine, this is the perfect polish to make a statement. What people say. The color is a beautiful iridescent shimmer that shifts in the light. It applies smoothly and evenly, providing a flawless finish. The gel formula is long-lasting and chip-resistant, maintaining its shine for weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.